Well, a warmest welcome to the Hot and Spicy. How are you doing? That's a shot. Hope you've had a great week, having a great weekend, safe, having a laugh hopefully, and thanks for joining me yet again. No surprises today, no visitors, hopefully. I did show a glimpse of these in the intro, but that's what we're having. It's 4.1% championship beer, Timothy Taylor's Landlord, the classic pale ale. That one, and this one here, I love this, St Austell's Brewery, proper job, powerfully hopped IPA, bottle conditioned, 5.5%. We're going to give old Tim a visit today first. Yeah, so I hope you're having a good weekend. And nice food. And we're going back, as many of you agreed in the comments, to pouring on the side. And I'm doing this cack-handed for me because I'm right-handed. And I usually do it the other way, but why did I do it that way? I've got no idea. Chicken Tagine. Tagine. Chicken Tagine. Right, okay, different. Only a Tesco one, as you've seen in the intro. Smells beautiful, and it's basically cooked chicken, char grilled chicken, with a spiced tomato sauce, some bell peppers or peppers, chunky peppers, onion. There's a few other things in there. Looks like some sort of chickpea or something, I don't know. I've added 5 little bird's eye chilies, hottest I could get. Maybe, well, not too much. And a slight, I'm not sure if I've shown that in the intro, I've only got, well no, I wouldn't have done. It's a little bag I got left of some Naga powder, which I bought in a little chili shop. So it's about 2 years old, 3 years old. But it's okay, so it should have a good kick to this. And we've got some breaded garlic mushrooms and some beer battered onion rings. Now I'm not sure whether this, not sure whether this should go together, but it does in this house. So cheers, good health, and all the best. Hey, that's what we need. Ooh. Now let me try some of this chicken. What are you having, if you're having anything? Wow. Just falling apart. It only takes about half an hour to cook. Wow. I'm sure. Welcome aboard, Mr. Spicy. That is nice. Good addition for me, that. Well, I'm getting, I'll tell you the flavour then straight away. This is a lovely tasting meal. It's not hot, standardly bought, but this now I just had a Naga flavour. I love Naga, anything like that, in the powder, which has got a kick to it, but the fresh chilies have a unique taste. They've only been cooked for half an hour in this, so they're not fried, they're sort of poached, baked. Let's try a mushroom. Notice no garlic bread. Start shaking in a minute. Mushrooms are juicy, lovely. So the heat so far, oh yeah, so each mouthful give me a kick, so it'll build a bit. Wow. I have sometimes people share very kindly their meals, what you're having, some go into the, wow, into the recipe, and gives a lot of inspiration. That's lovely. I have a few people, because they know you like hot food. I don't know if you enjoy heat, spicy food, sauces. People automatically that know you like spicy food, but they're not keen on too hot, super hot, will say to you, hey, why don't you spice up, I don't know, like your gravy, why don't you, different things. I mean, but for me, heat, God, that's lovely, built up a bit now. Heat has its place, I don't go silly. It's like saying putting the heat in my beer, or in your pudding, or in your gravy on a Sunday. Not for me. That it has got its place, but yeah, it's I suppose it's like a challenge though, isn't it? The chicken, honestly, you could eat this with no teeth and give it to your grandfather. Let's try it. So 5 bird's eyes and a teaspoon of Naga for me is just a super burn. This isn't hot. Beer battered onion rings. Where did I get them? I get that a lot. I don't get that a lot, I get asked that a lot. These are from Tesco freezer department. Beer battered onion rings. Huge things. As are these. Not expensive. It's a bit of a bits and pieces meal, isn't it? It's sort of half meal and half sort of different bites, different things, isn't it? You know what I mean. That is nice. So, what is on your agenda this weekend? For us, weekend's busy really for us. Well, for me, hot and spicy, working, hot and spicy, shave tomorrow, and then we're popping out again, filming different places. It's all going towards, as I said, the Christmas video. Which should be good. It usually goes up on Christmas Day, and I fully understand, it's an important day, isn't it, Christmas Day, with either you with family, friends, whatever, and it's, that's important. But the video goes up on a Christmas Day. If people watch it, it's there for them. If you're fed up during the day. But don't expect people wow. Don't expect people, obviously, to take any time away from that day with their family or friends to watch a video. I fully understand. But it'll be there whenever. If you fancy watching it. Lovely. breaded garlic mushrooms. And for once, it states 20 minutes cooking. I did 23 and it's perfect. That's the secret to any crunch, really. It's just getting it right when it's crunchy but not burnt. A minute to over, you've knackered it. Especially bread. These are nice with hot sauces. I was thinking the other day, I don't know how you do Christmas Eve. I mean, a lot of people, it's hectic if they've got family coming or their friends or they're going away or they've got a party or whatever. Or you've got presents to wrap and get ready for the morning, but it was only two of us. We're usually quite organised. Well, yeah, quite organised. You have to be, because we're both working up till Christmas Eve. So everything's ready. The presents, only two of us here, obviously. So presents are wrapped and all done, ready. All the food is prepared. Well, not quite prepared. It's all ready. So in the morning it's quite easy. All the veg. Mrs H doesn't eat meat, and I usually have roast duck for Christmas Day because it's a treat and it's smaller than a turkey. I could have a turkey crown, but turkey's too dry for me. I don't know. It's like, well, it's not chicken, but it's similar. You know, I have that all year. So a duck is lovely, and I do a bit of a duck curry sometimes Boxing Day with a spare. The two girls have a bit with me, and then we'll have the meal. Like Mrs H will have the vegetables and the potatoes and whatever we're having, obviously, and whatever she decides to have with it, or she'll have a completely different thing. But we'll have it, well, at the same time. But our main objective is relaxation and just being together. That's it. From Christmas Eve, that's a Christmas we love. Christmas Eve, come in, everything's ready, beer's in, food's in, cats are in, and that's it then. Chill out, relax, enjoy you gotta watch Scrooge, the Christmas Carol, gotta watch that, and if I can, what's it called? Polar Express. Oh, like a kid. Once I've seen them, it's Christmas then. Just when I was saying before, I'm not sure if these go together or make a meal. Some people may look at it and think, onion rings with chicken tagine and garlic. It works. So again tomorrow, I'm not sure what I'm going to have for dinner, because I can't make anything, obviously, because we're off. Oh, man. Yeah. And I've just booked, when was it? Thursday. Something we've wanted to do for a while but never done it, and it's an event happening over the Christmas period, just after Christmas Day, and I've just booked the tickets, as I say, Thursday, so, and we're going to film that, so it's nice, something old-fashioned. This is lovely. Oh, the flavour. That's lovely, that. The chicken, wow. As soon as it contacts your teeth, it just... Did I ask you what you're having? Don't forget, I asked you twice, sorry if I've asked. And this. That's clever. Because you're baking them. If they were freshly deep fried, I can understand it. But they've been baked. When you bite into them, and they weren't expensive either. Bag of them. There's more in the freezer. And then they're quite juicy. You know, they give off a run down your chin if you're not careful. Yeah, very nice. Wasn't sure what to do tonight. And sometimes I'll walk around the shop and, oh yeah, like that. And then I think, what can I have with that? And then I seen this tagine. That sounds nice. Not spicy. I can sort that out. Make it spicy. And it's, I gotta say, the fresh chilli burn is lovely. A nice change. I've used a lot of powders on mine lately, which are fantastic, but the fresh chilli, you get the taste of the chilli. Bird's eyes they were, and only small things, but they're fiery. As I say, put 5 in. Thought it might be a bit over the top for this size meal, but no, it's okay. It's burning. And the Naga powder, teaspoon of that, and I'm getting that flavour and the fresh chilli heat, and it's all just going on. It's lovely. I don't know if you've tried this. That is nice. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Overdone on the bottom. So we're going to leave a bit of room now for the few more of these. Cold ones going down. I did say last time, I remembered, leave the bottle in the fridge, but these were slightly smaller. So I brought the 2 up, but I haven't needed that. This is more than plenty. So I never learn. Yeah. That'll do me. That is one nice combination for me. Things I love, good meal. As I say, it's a bit of a meal, but it's also a bit of a pick and mix and, you know, dips and type of thing, because you can pick it up and dip it in. There's the onion. Beautiful. There may be some Christmassy stuff in behind me next week. Get some lights. Well, I got the lights ready, but put them up. Wow, that's lovely. So, thanks for joining me. If you follow me on Paul H Films, I'll see you in the morning. If not, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great weekend, wherever you are in the world. Stay safe. Try and stay positive. Try and stay positive. Try and stay happy. And if you're having a meal, yeah, enjoy it. And I thank you for your time and patience in watching this video. So all the best, many thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.